Social Security employs medical experts. Medical experts are neutral, qualified physicians who provide testimony or medical opinions during the Social Security disability hearings. They are called upon by the administrative law judge for an independent medical assessment of the claimant's condition based on the medical evidence that's submitted in the case. The ME or medical expert does not examine the claimant directly, but reviews the records and other evidence in the claim to provide objective insights for the administrative law judge. The role of the medical expert is extensive. The very first part of the expert's responsibility is to educate the administrative law judge on the complex medical issues and the diagnoses. The medical expert will interpret the records and clarify the severity and functional limitations that are caused by the disability. The medical expert is there to assist the administrative law judge. The ME can also assess the listings and the RFC. That medical expert can provide an opinion whether or not a diagnosis equals a listing, and this helps the ALJ determine whether or not an individual is disabled. The medical expert is also able to answer specific medical questions. During the hearing, the ALJ will have very specific questions about the condition, the diagnosis, the evidence, and the ability to do certain tasks based on those limitations. The ME's testimony can help clarify whether or not that condition aligns with the definition of disability. Now, medical experts are neutral third parties. They are objective. Their focus is strictly on the records, and they consider the opinions from treating doctors and examiners, the entire record. And these medical experts are used when the ALJ needs clarification or interpretation of the evidence, and especially when there's conflicting information or when a case involves a rare or complex condition. The ME's testimony can be influential in the ALJ's decision. Now, while the ALJ is not required to follow that opinion, it can play a substantial role in determining whether the claimant qualifies for disability benefits or not. Medical experts are often used during appeals and hearings before an ALJ, particularly in cases where the evidence is not clear-cut or the evidence is in dispute. You may have doctors that disagree with Social Security, and this medical expert can shed light. The medical expert can bridge the substantial time that sometimes passes between the time that you applied for benefits and the hearing. We are referring to a time period sometimes of 8 to 12 to 18 months, and the medical expert can reasonably rule how that condition has been affecting you during that time period.